In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add password protection to a page in Hostinger Website Builder. By the end, you'll know exactly how to lock down a specific page so only people with the password can see it. Perfect for private content, client previews, or internal resources. First, open Hostinger Website Builder and head to the site you're working on. Navigate to the exact page you want to protect so you can see it in the editor. This keeps things clear while you change its settings. Next, look to the left side of the editor and open the Pages and Navigation panel. This is where all your site's pages live, and it's the control center for page level options. Find the page you want to protect in that list, then open its settings. Depending on your layout, you'll either click a gear icon or the three-dot menu next to the page name. This opens a panel with options specific to that page. In the page settings, locate the option to enable a password and turn it on. It may appear as a toggle or a checkbox labeled something like Enable Password for this page. This applies only to the page you selected, not your whole site. Now enter the password visitors will use to access the page. Choose something strong and easy to share securely, like a short passphrase. Avoid personal details and remember that passwords are usually case sensitive. Keep a safe record of it and only share it with people who need access. When you're done, save the page settings. Don't close the panel or leave the editor until you're sure the changes have been saved, or you might lose your work. Next, publish or update your website so the protection goes live. If this is your first time going live, click Publish. If the site is already live, click Update or the equivalent Publish button. Changes to page protection won't take effect until you do this. Finally, open the protected page in a browser and confirm that the password prompt appears. You can paste the page's URL into a new tab. If you don't see the prompt right away, try a private browsing window or clear your cache. Enter the password to make sure it grants access, and test an incorrect password to confirm it's truly protected. If the prompt doesn't appear, double check that you saved the settings and published the site, and verify you protected the correct page. That's it. Your page is now password protected. You can return to the same page settings anytime to change the password or disable protection when you're done.